Good evening or good afternoon. It's weekend and I've just parked my camper up there. Can we see it? There's my camper and that's where I'm going to be sleeping tonight. A friend of mine lives there and another guy I know, and they're both avid campers, and they've said I can sleep there tonight. So tonight's going to be the night we practice and see if we can sleep next to Viper. Viper, no snoring tonight, boy. Otherwise you are out of the plan. Honestly, if Viper keeps me awake tonight, he's not camping with me. He's going to become a suburban dog who stays with his female family while me and Mikey go off adventuring. That's just the way it's going to be. Or I have to get earplugs. That's the other option. Viper's more on the earplug side. He thinks that I should stick something in my ears. Stop being such a baby. Righto, let's take the doggies for a walk. I've forgotten to mention that my car is now registered as on my bus, my camper. So I deregistered my sports car because it's basically sold. And in an optimistic frame of mind, I went and got insurance for the transfer to the bus, to the camper, and we're now road legal. And I can basically do what I like now. It's so cool. I could actually go off in the camper next week and work from it inside Switzerland. It's so cool. So, wo ist eben hier? Hier. Cool. Well, here we are in the camper. First night in the camper down in Chastenloch, where I was walking the other day. Just had a nice campfire with Ralph and Matthias. They're both campers themselves. And now we're going to try and get some sleep in the camper. Unfortunately, Viper hasn't figured out that he needs to be in this camper. He's staying up at the fire with Matthias. So it's just me and Mikey in at the moment. I've just switched the heater on and now it's time to go to bed, I think. See if Viper comes yowling in the night or if he's going to spend a night in the house with Matthias.